Here are the ingredients. I have 1 day old rice, mixed vegetables, pre-cooked shrimp, 2 eggs, some scallions, 2 chopsticks, sesame oil, some salt, some MSG, and some black peppercorns. First, you want to break up the rice.
No, Mac, my kitchen.
Wet your hands with a tiny bit of water. This will help the rice break up more easily. For this recipe, I'm using Thai fragrant long grain rice. Keep breaking up the rice. This is about 2 cups of cooked rice. When you finish breaking up all the rice, crack 2 eggs into a cup. Whisk your eggs well with 2 chopsticks. Heat your wok to a very high temperature. Coat your heated wok with vegetable oil. When the sides of your wok are fully coated, drain off the excess oil. Add in your eggs. Scramble the eggs for 30 seconds. Add a splash of oil around the sides of the wok to stop the eggs from sticking. Remove the eggs and set to the side. If anyone is actually watching this video, which I highly doubt, please hit the subscribe button and bell button. Add in your mixed veg. I'm using red pepper, cauliflower and green beans. Stir fry your vegetables for 30 seconds. Add in your shrimp. Season with black pepper. Add salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of MSG if you like. These professional cooking creators use fans to blow away the steam so that they can get a better shot of what they're cooking. I just don't think it looks natural. Personally, I like using a vape and blowing the vape smoke towards the wok. It's like very cheap special effects. Add in your rice. I don't know if you can hear that background noise. It's a bin lorry driving up the street. It's going to mess up my video. Add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir fry for 2 more minutes until the rice is golden brown in colour. Then add in your egg. Cook for another 1 minute. Add in chopped spring onion. Don't forget to hit the bell button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I have to run, someone's at the door here.